Oh, I'm glad I got this. On my little CLX 27, the clamp's gone. If you can see, I can show you in true now. I've cleaned the best I can because I'm on bloody site, so I've only got a pair of pliers, so I've taken as much as I can off. Also the clamp's gone there as well, if you can see. You can see a little split there, can't you? But anyway, basically what I'm going to do is put that all the way around. Right, now what I need to do is to get the activator right inside. This is very difficult because I've got to try and show you how to do it with one hand. But slide it down. That's it. What I'll do now is I'll tighten this clamp up very, very tight. I should hopefully pinch that together a bit. Looks like it's not going to, because it looks like it's gone off already. I'll just the thing. Right, count to 10. Probably not even, it's probably gone off now, but that'll do. That is now solid. I can now go back to work. Absolutely excellent. How long it lasts, don't know, but job's sorted.